Hi there, students. To divest. To divest is an old-fashioned formal way of saying to take off your clothes or to take off a piece of clothing. Divest yourself of that heavy coat and boots and come and sit by the fire. So, an old-fashioned formal way of saying take off. Divest yourself of your hat. It works, but it's a bit old-fashioned maybe. Today we use divest to mean to take something away from somebody, especially a right, a privilege, a prejudice. To strip, if you like. He was divested of his position as managing director. They sacked him. There are laws which divest people of the right to free speech. So it takes away their right. You need to divest yourself of the idea that you are Superman and get your feet back on the ground. To deprive, to dispossess. Society needs to divest itself of prejudice. Get rid of it. Take it away. Okay, in another sense, we can use divest to mean to sell. So you all know the verb to invest money, an investment. Well, to divest means to sell off, to get rid of investments by selling, especially for a company when it sells a subsidiary. The company has divested itself of all its Asian assets. It's divested itself of its Asian business. It has divested itself of the energy generation division. It sold it off and is no longer has a financial interest in this. From this we can use to divest more generally, meaning to get rid of something. He divested himself of the responsibility of making the decision. He passed the decision to someone else. He divested himself of the heavy shopping and sat down. So he put down the shopping. He took it off his hands so he wasn't carrying it. You must divest yourself of all of the things that you don't use. You must divest yourself of any superfluous luggage to be able to travel light. Before you enter the scanner, you must divest yourself of all personal belongings. Okay, so this verb to divest, firstly, it's a regular verb. He divested himself of the things that he was carrying. He has divested himself of non-green investments. Next question, formality. This is a formal word. I'd probably give it a 7.5 in formality. Yeah, it sounds pretty posh and pretty formal. You can't use this in an informal conversation. Divest yourself of your clothes, take off your clothes. To divest somebody of a right, to strip them of a right. To not invest in something anymore, to sell off, to get rid of something, yeah? So all of these would be informal ways of saying it, but to divest, good for something semi-formal or something very formal. Notice, to divest has the idea of selling off, selling investments. To disinvest means to stop investing more, not to sell off the investments, but to reduce the rate of new investment or to stop it completely. This verb to divest comes from Latin die, dis, des, un, and vestir, to dress, to clothe, so to take off the clothes. So you can divest somebody of their clothes. I would love to divest her of what she is wearing. But remember, a very formal word. So to divest, to take off clothes, to strip somebody of a right or a privilege, an idea, a concept, a prejudice. Or to sell off investments so that you no longer have investments in that area. And then just simply to get rid of something, to put it down, to throw it away, to sell it, to give it away, to get rid of it somehow. So there you go, divest, a formal word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To divest.